Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today's video, another panty haul. Of course, I went to the mall and I bought panties, of course. So I have here, ayan, a very nice one, pink, and this one is gray. Okay, dito muna tayo sa pink. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Ayan, thank you very much. So this is the pink one. This is extra large. Ayan, XL na ni siya, guys. Ganito yung kanyang laman. And then, of course, guys, I like it. Kasi, the garter is like this. Okay? Ganito siya, guys. So, I am very happy na nakakita ko. Mura lang to siya, guys. Because, this is only for 40 pesos. Ayan, 40 pesos. You're less than, like, your 40 cents, like that. Or 30 cents. Dollar. Okay? So, ganito lang siya, guys. So, maganda siya. Plain lang siya. And then, ganito din siya dito sa cuttings. Okay? If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and comment below. Okay? Thank you very much. Oh, ganito siya, guys. Yung kanyang back. Basta ang ganda nito, guys. I really like this. Okay, ito namang isa is XL. Ayan. This one is XL. Ayan, nakita nyo naman. Magaling natin to. And this is worth for 29 pesos. I think this one is your $20, 20 cents dollars. Okay? Ayan, ganito siya. May teddy bear siya dito sa dyang naka-ano na yan, kabit. This is inside. Ayan. So, ganito po siya. I really like this. Actually, this one is old one. Yung ano pa siya. Hindi ganit, the one that I like is the low cut, a high cut, guys. High cut like this. But this one is low cut, okay? So, normally, I don't use this kind of panty for, everyday wear. And I don't like to use this also. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo to kasi I want to vlog with this, okay? This is the classic one, like the old panties, okay? But I am happy to show you all, guys. This is the old panties. This two is old panties. So, it's not like the one that I really like. Always do vlogging different colors, different designs. Same high cut. Okay? This is the very different for today's video. Ayan. Suot na natin siya. This one, guys, is very small to me. Nakita nyo naman. Very small, guys. Hindi siya fit. Hindi siya kasya. It's not fit to me. It's very small. Okay? Ito yung kanyang cutting. So, nandito siya sa likod, guys. It's like this. Ayan, oh. That's why I don't like this kind of, guys. Okay? Kasi ganito siya. It's low cut. It's high cut, guys. Low cut siya. Yung parang hindi siya kasya. It's not fit to me. Okay? Pero pakita ko pa rin sa ayan siya, guys. Okay? And sa kabila, o, diba? Ganito yung kanyang this is the low cut kasi dito. The one that I really like is, it's here, okay? The cut is like this. Ayan, suot natin yung isa gan. Ayan, yung gray naman is napakakasya sa atin. Very fit. Very fit siya sa atin. Ayan. Ganito siya. This is the old cut. This is very fit to me. Ayan. Dito siya, guys. Ganito siya. Like what I say, this is all this. Ayan. So, guys, this one is fit, but this kind of panties, I don't like to wear every day because it's low cut. I want high cut like this, okay? Ayan. So, this one is better than the other ones. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. I really like it. Ayan. Ganito.